A mixed English quiz with 40 questions on vocabulary, grammar, and idioms. Think you can get a perfect score? What does its 6s and 7s mean? Answer A. In confusion. What does full of beans mean? Answer A. Energy. Find the best synonym of careful. Answer C. Cautious. Choose the synonym of prevail. Answer B. Triumph. Opposite of comply. Answer D. Resist. What is the opposite of mar? Answer B. Improve. What is the plural of criteria? Answer A. Criteria. What is the plural form of foot? Answer C. Feet. Fill in the blank. Answer A. She answered the questions exceptionally confidently during the interview. Complete the sentence. Answer B. He managed to solve the problem, despite having no prior experience. Pick the past tense of by. Answer A. Bought. What is the past form of dream? Answer D. Dreamed. Choose the past form of wed. Answer A. Wed. How do you spell this word? Answer C. University. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Grandmother. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Accurate. What is the antonym of lock? Answer D. Unlock. Opposite of decree. Answer A. Request. What is the antonym of absence? Answer C. Presence. What word is closest to month? Answer B. Period. Choose the synonym for contagious. Answer D. Infectious. Find the best synonym of arm. Answer B. Limb. What does give it a shot mean? Answer C. Try it. What does throw down the gauntlet mean? Answer A. Issue challenge. What does make a mountain out of a molehill mean? Answer B. Exaggerate. What is the past form of bring back? Answer C. Brought back. Choose the past form of hang. Answer A. Hung. How do you form the past of fortify? Answer B. Fortified. Choose the correct past form of stride. Answer D. Strode. What is the plural of equality? Answer A. Equalities. Choose the correct plural form of tear. Answer C. Tears. Select the correct plural form of enigma. Answer B. Enigmas. What is the plural of baby? Answer D. Babies. Fill in the blank. Answer C. European capitals attract millions of tourists every year. Complete the phrase. Answer A. He got the walls painted for the renovation. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. You must not smoke in this area. It is strictly prohibited. Find the correct option. Answer C. Reckless. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Contemplate. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Argument. Spot the correct spelling. Answer C. Observe. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.